Hi guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're all doing well. For this video, I want to show you how to make the ranch chicken pasta the delicious way. The ingredients are some chicken breast. Now the seasoning for chicken breast is 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon onion powder. The second ingredient is cream or double cream. The third ingredient is some parsley and 1 garlic and some cooked pasta. We're going to slice the chicken in half. So, with a big knife. So we're gonna season the meat, both sides. Season it well. Okay, so now we're gonna chop some parsley. That's enough, I think. So we're gonna chop some garlic and you peel it. Okay. So we're going now to fry the chicken. So now we're gonna put the garlic in the same pan we cooked the chicken with. So we're gonna add the cream now. 1 cup, 2 cups and a half. And another half cup.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add 3 tablespoons parsley. You can add more if you like the parsley. I'm gonna add a little bit more than 3 teaspoons. That's enough. And a teaspoon oregano, dried oregano. This was really good, and this is how it turned out. I'm really proud with it, and thanks for watching.